I wonder if I can use personal conveyance for this drive.
Welcome to Personal Conveyance in Trucking. In this video, we'll explore the different ways you can use PC to make your trucking life easier and more efficient. Personal conveyance is a provision that allows truck drivers to use their company-assigned truck for personal use. A driver may record time operating a CMV for personal conveyance as off-duty, only when the driver is relieved from work, and all responsibility for performing work for the motor carrier. PC can be used for a variety of purposes, including home time, errands, and personal travel. It's an important tool for truck drivers because it can help them save time and money. One of the most common uses of PC is for home time. This can allow you to drive your truck home instead of taking a bus or plane. When planning your route for home time, it's important to minimize mileage. This will save you time and money. When using PC for home time, it's also important to consider rest stops and overnight parking. Personal conveyance does not reduce a driver's or motor carrier's responsibility to operate a CMV safely. PC can also be used for errands. This can be a great way to save time and money, especially if you live in a rural area. When planning your errands, it's important to be efficient. This will help you minimize mileage and time spent on the road. It's important to be mindful of time limits when using PC. Most companies have a policy that limits the number of miles you can drive on PC each day. Depending on the company you drive for, PC can also be used for personal travel. This can be a great way to see the country and spend time with your family and friends. There are a few things you can do to ensure that you're using PC safely and compliantly. First, it's important to follow all company policies and procedures regarding PC. You should also keep a log of your PC miles. This will help you stay on top of your mileage and avoid any issues with your company. PC can be a valuable tool for truck drivers, but it's important to use it responsibly. So remember, personal conveyance can be used for the following. Number 1. Time spent traveling from a driver's en route lodging, such as a motel or truck stop, to restaurants and entertainment facilities. Number 2. Commuting between the driver's terminal and his or her residence, between trailer drop lots and the driver's residence, and between work sites and his or her residence. Number 3. Time spent traveling to a nearby reasonable, safe location to obtain required rest after loading or unloading. And number 4. Moving a CMV at the request of a safety official during the driver's off-duty time. By following the tips in this video, you can ensure that you're using PC safely and compliantly. Drive safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trucking safety tips.